Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a top 5 talking about some crypto gems that have just continued to be so undervalued during this crypto market dip, and we're continuing to see huge discounts. I'm talking 20 to 50% on some of these really high potential gems out there in the market. So these are huge opportunities. The first thing I want to jump into though is Bitcoin. So just above $31,000 right now, a lot of resistance for Bitcoin to actually have a nice recovery right now, which is leading to believe that we may see a little bit more pain before we see some success in the crypto market. Do remember the stock market's also doing really poorly, as well as so many other markets in really the financial space right now. So it's huge to understand that there could be more pain. So be careful about when you kind of invest and make sure you're investing in a project you can hold long term, that you believe in, so that you won't just take, your money out when Bitcoin hits, let's say, 28K. So just keep an eye on these prices and understand that really there's a lot of gems out there like Fame MMA that have seen 20 to 50% decreases just within this last day or two. So if we take a look here at this last day, Fame MMA is down below 20 cents. This will definitely have a nice recovery when we do see the markets recover, and I have no doubts about that. If we take a look at FameMMA.io, there's huge reasons to believe that we may see, like I said, a very nice recovery. So Fame staking live on Kinga Exchange, and we can see the 5,100,000 total pay-per-view licenses sold. 14,000 top on-site spectators, and 260 million total views on YouTube. The following of Fame MMA is just absolutely huge. If you guys have looked at their Instagram, I believe it's over 1 million, Twitter over 100,000. Just like I said, massive followings. I think YouTube's very close to 1 million as well. But we have the pay-per-view platform. So the pay-per-view platform becomes part of the Fame token ecosystem, allowing for acquiring special pay-per-view licenses with even more content. We have gaming, we have marketing and sponsors, NFT collection, and the staking platform, all different features of Fame MMA. And you can actually see the roadmap as well. So right now we're in the preparation phase, just meaning that right now is the perfect time to let this dip take place, buy low, and then find out really more about the launch, the rollout, the development, and the expansion. They have huge partners with the Tencent Gem launch platform, the MetaHero, Everdome, and so many more. I'm not going to jump into too much more on Fame MMA because we do have 4 other tokens to talk about, but this is definitely one of those that just gets me kind of crazy riled up because we are seeing a 22 to 23% decrease just in one day alone. We take a look at the last 7 days. We came from about 40 cents-ish, or right around 40 cents, down to below 20 cents. So a really just straight halving of this price. I want to jump, though, over to Everdome. So Everdome's done a little bit better at kind of sustaining its price, but it hasn't done fantastically well. If we take a look at the last year of Everdome, it's not been around for a year, by the way, but if we take a look at the last year, you can see that we had a 90-cent price point, or very close to actually 10 cents. It was actually a 9-cent price point, not a 90-cent price point, but it was close to 10 cents. We came right back down to about 58 or 5.8 cents, and then actually dropped all the way down to 2.3 cents, which is crazy. But you could see how fast we actually recovered from this 2.3 cent drop. We actually recovered up to 3.8 cents, went up to 4.5 cents, and then tanked right back down to where we are now, basically at 2.9 cents. So you have to really kind of understand what's taking place here. Is we actually saw a lower price point back in the previous dip that wasn't near as bad as this one, according to the crypto market. So Everdome doing really well at kind of sustaining its price point right now. And with what is coming, kind of in the roadmap, if you guys do a little bit research yourself, Everdome's got huge things coming. And I really think Everdome could continue to be one of the most sought after cryptos in another year or two as we continue to see a lot of these low market cap gems rise to the top. So another one that just makes a lot of sense to me is Ultra. You guys have probably heard of Ultra before. If you have not, basically think of Steam, the platform that really gives you games, or you can buy games and play those games on the PC. Ultra's doing the same thing, but just basically play to earn games and the NFT games and just anything to do with crypto games or crypto gaming. And I think that definitely does have a very large market, and they're doing a really good job at kind of getting themselves out there and getting themselves known. So Ultra has seen a huge kind of, tank here in the last year. If we take a look, we saw a price point of $2.44 back when I think Crypto Ran talked about it. The Crypto Banter guys, they talked about it. It went up to about $2.44. Now we're seeing a 47-cent price point, which is basically, 1/5 of its potential price that we saw earlier in the year. So just absolutely crazy to see this price this low. I do expect this one to be back above $1 in no time. There is Chainlink as of the next crypto gem. We have Chainlink continuing to tank as well. Another gem that makes so much sense, so much utility, so many use cases, so many partners, and we're seeing it at $8.78. There's no way this continues to drop below the $5 to $4 range is my hope. If we do, I will be going all in at that price point. Just keep that in mind. Obviously, if the markets look like they do have potential to recover and jump back up to those once upon a time price points. For Chainlink, it was about $49, $52 around there. So Chainlink at $8.80. Hopefully we can see a nice recovery. Like I said, a massive potential behind Chainlink. Not really a low market cap gem, but more of a high market cap, high potential gem that people are kind of missing out on. Ethereum is next in line. So when we talked about Chainlink, they had Chainlink staking coming, Chainlink, CCIP, a lot of cool stuff coming for Chainlink. Well, Ethereum's got the same kind of concept. We're seeing so much utility, so many use cases out of Ethereum, and I think we're going to continue to see Ethereum actually gain and rise on Bitcoin when it comes to market cap and market cap domination over the other crypto gems in the space. So Ethereum, definitely going to be one to watch out for. Right now, the market cap's continuing to tank at $283 billion in market cap. Still a nice gem there, but like I said, this one is going to continue to come down with the rest of the market. We're seeing about $2,300. I wouldn't be surprised seeing this one drop below $2,000, which would be nuts to see, but definitely possible. Like I said, we're getting closer and closer to a bear market, which is actually good for a lot of us. It's just all about gaining money right now and finding the right time to actually jump into the market, because I know a lot of you guys are trying to buy every single dip. And if you try to buy every single dip in crypto, you're going to run out of funds to buy dips. It just happens so often. And you're going to have that, like I said, with the FUD in the market, with the people manipulating the market. So definitely keep an eye on Ethereum. Keep an eye on all of these gems. If you find a price point you like or find a coin you like, definitely jump in on it. Make sure to do your own research. Make sure it's a good purchase, but then hold for that next bull market. We're not there yet. We're going to get there. Just continue to remain calm and wait patiently for that opportunity. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. You guys know on this channel, we like to give you guys the most crypto information we possibly can, give you our thoughts and our kind of wisdom on the crypto market since we've been here for a while. I know there's some unprecedented territory in the crypto space here as recently, but just some cool stuff out there in the space still that I definitely believe after this kind of manipulation, FUD, bear market stuff kind of remains a little bit more calm, we're going to break out. We're going to see that bull market again. We're going to see these gems that have so much use case, I guess more retail usage and kind of just all around utility. They're going to perform very, very well. So definitely keep an eye out. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you all in the next one.